everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed till now, and if you are new to this channel then you are welcome to the channel. Do subscribe the channel and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any update from the channel, and do join us at our Telegram channel. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. Well, I am back with multiple opportunities for all of you. So we'll be discussing opportunities that is for 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022 batch. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that there is no confusion in your mind. Also, do share this video with your friends, with your seniors, juniors, so even they can know about these opportunities. So without any delay, let's start with the first opportunity, that is from Capgemini. So you can see Capgemini is hiring. So Capgemini trained fresher hiring, that is for core Java, and you can see this the job function is engineering web software. CTC offered is 3 lakh per annum, and this is the description regarding Capgemini. You can go through it once. Talking about educational qualification, so you can 60% across 10th, 12th and graduation. 1 year gap post 12th is allowed. Highest qualification should be BE, BTech, MCA, MTech. Year of passing should be 2019 and 2020 only. Candidates should be trained on core Java. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for the assessment selection process. Selection process will be done in virtual mode. Candidates will be responsible for arranging required infrastructure for appearing for the selection process, which will be conducted online. Post registration in the tool, you need to apply for the job profile to participate in the event. Right, so first of all you have to register yourself to the superset profile, and then only you can register for this event. Right, and here the required skill is computers, information science, information technology. And this is how the hiring workflow is, that first resume will be shortlisted, then online test is there, then technical interview, then HR interview, and then you'll be getting the offer. Right, so just this is a wonderful opportunity for all of you. So if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, right, and this is the opportunity for 19 and 20 pass outs only, and 10th and 12% is 60%. So if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, then make sure to apply for this wonderful opportunity without further delay. So do apply. Now let's talk about another opportunity, that is from Acolyte. So you can see Acolyte is hiring, and it is hiring for batch 2022. So this is the opportunity for 22 batch, right? So make sure to share this video with your juniors if some senior is watching. So you can see Acolyte Tech Hiring provides you a platform to give a kick start to your career. This is simply done by assessing your technical knowledge and caliber with the Acolyte Hiring Challenge. Land your dream job in just a few clicks. So first of all, eligible courses you can see BE, BTech, MTech, MCA, MSc, CS, IT and circuital branches. Salary package is 5 LPA and 8 LPA plus up to 3 lakhs tenure bonus. Clear your first round in a few minutes. Receive a call from us. So job description you can see is software engineer. We are looking at hiring software engineer who shall be the brain behind crafting, developing, testing, going live and maintaining the system. You are passionate in understanding the business context for features built to drive better customer experience and adoption. Familiar with the software development life cycle from analysis to deployment. Comply with coding standards and technical design. Believes in systematic approach to develop the system through clear documentation. Adapts structure coding styles for easy review, testing and maintainability of the code. Integrated the developed functionality and components into a fully functional system. And very like multiple things are there, just go through it, like verify user feedback in making system more stable and easier. Location they have mentioned is going to be Gurugram, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai. This you can see about Acolyte Digital that is mentioned. Right, so for applying, what you have to do, simply click on apply now. And here you have to do nothing. Just simply give your first name, your last name, your email, your mobile number, your Skype ID, institution name, city, gender, year of passing. Language you have to choose that in which you are comfortable in, that is C, C++, Java, Python. 4 options are there. And then you have to simply choose your resume. You have to upload your resume. You have to upload here and then simply click on submit now. Right, so make sure to apply for this wonderful opportunity, and you can say the package is very good and it can be 8 LPA plus as well. So make sure to apply. Let's talk about another opportunity. now. So this is the opportunity from Visual BI. You can see, so eligibility criteria, you can see 2021 graduates and postgraduates from the below mentioned discipline willing to pursue a career in product development can apply. BE, ME, MCA, MSc. What opportunities are available? Product developer. In this role, you would be building best in class BI products. As a product developer at Visual BI, you will be build products using UI framework. Core skill set would be JavaScript, React.js, Python, Node.js, MongoDB, and develop hosted and cloud-based BI products using cutting-edge languages, Node, Python, Java, re-engineering existing hosted products for cloud. How to apply? So you have to fill the application form, attach your resume, and answer the question listed. As if we would like to get to know you better through these responses, we encourage you to respond truthfully based on your personalities and life experience. There are no right or wrong answer to these questions. So let's see about the how to apply. So click on apply for this job. Now here you have to give your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, address. You have to upload your photo, and here you have to upload your resume, and if here you have to give your cover letter, and here you have to answer that whether you'll be graduating in 2021 or not. And then some questions, some basic questions are there, then according to your choices and preferences you have to answer all of them, and then you have to simply click on submit application, right? So this is a wonderful opportunity for product developer role at Visual BI. So if you are interested, then make sure to apply, and the job location is going to be Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, as you can see here. So that is the opportunity. Next opportunity, let us see. So this is the next opportunity from City. So ICG Technology Software Development 2021 Summer Analyst role they are hiring for, and this opportunity is for 2021 batch only. So you can see they are saying as a software development analyst, you will work in an agile software development environment, developing quality and scalable software solutions using leading edge technologies based on business requirement. You will develop code consistent with quality standards and offer support during testing cycles and post-production deployment. To ensure defect-free programming, you will use the appropriate tools to test and debug code and participate in the review of peer coding. You will have the opportunity to focus on a variety of technology like the following. Learn about best engineering excellence practices, opportunity to work on a small project, proof of concept using core Java, C Sharp, .NET with a SQL, NoSQL DB as backend, Oracle, MongoDB, Neo4j, Redis, HDFS, Cassandra, and React.js. Right, so multiple things are there. You can just go through it, right? So you can see this is the eligibility criteria they have mentioned, and programming language they have mentioned like is if you know C++, Java, then that is good. So a dedication to learning and a true passion for the business are the vital. As industry all over the globe continue to restructure and grow, we are hiring professionals who have a global perspective on the future of banking. Just go through all this once, and if you are interested, then simply click on apply now. After clicking apply now, you'll be redirected to this page. So if you haven't registered on their platforms, so first you have to register, and then you have to do the sign in process, and then you have to fill the details that they're asking for, and that's how your application will be submitted, right? So make sure to apply. This is also a wonderful opportunity. Now the next opportunity that we have, it is from Geo, right? So you can see Geo is also hiring for deputy manager IT, and you can see the bonus, you can see the compensation offered is on joining first year CTCs rupees 52.5 LPA, then retention bonus is rupees 50,000 on completion of 1 year, then second year CTC will be rupees 6.30 LPA, right? Industry type they have mentioned software services, area of focus is application development, database architecture, application testing, IT project management, agile and scrum methodology. DevSecOps and cybersecurity technology and platform that we work on is open source technology, full stack development using tools like Angular, React, Node.js, Flutter, MySQL, MongoDB, Kubernetes. Well, many things are there, and here they have mentioned that what you will get to do. So you have to work on real-time exposure to live projects. You would get to engage with key stakeholders to gather business requirements and assist in proposing idea solutions. Design and develop enterprise-wide platform applications following the agile methodology and deliver against stiff deadlines to get apps rolling. So these are the things that they have mentioned. Now, desired candidate profile. So candidates with 0 to 2 years of experience can apply. The recruitment process consists of 3 rounds. It means if you are 19 batch, 20 batch, 21 batch, you can apply for this opportunity. Now there are 3 rounds, basically online test that will be consisting of verbal and quantitative ability, logical reasoning and coding. Then there is a technical interview, then HR interview. Now graduate qualification. So they have mentioned that BE BTech minimum marks is 60% graduation in 19, 20, 21 with no backlogs accepted. PG qualification is MCA, minimum marks 60% post graduation in 19, 20, 21, no backlogs accepted. Minimum school marks they have mentioned in 12th you must be having 70% and in 10th you must be having 70%. Right, so if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, then make sure to apply. For applying, just simply click on this apply now button and fill all the details that they have asked for. And the job location is going to be Mumbai as I've mentioned here. So these were the wonderful opportunities for all of you. I hope you have liked the opportunity. Make sure to apply. Don't miss the opportunities. And like this video, share this video with everyone so that even they can know about this opportunity. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and do join us at our Telegram channel. Thank you.